Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. We are doing a week in the life video today. It's very basic, just not much happening, but I thought I'd bring you along anyway. We go for some walks and I sort Noah's room out because what else do I do? He's grown out of so many clothes just recently, so we've been sorting that out, so it's been carnage. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. We have come out on a little walk. It's not that nice out, but Noah's teeth have been hurting, so why not get out, get a bit of fresh air. I haven't carried him in this carrier since he was tiny as well, so he's definitely a lot bigger. I'm not the tallest, so it's a bit difficult carrying him. You dribbly boy. But we've just come out on a little walk round the manor park. It does look like it's going to rain, so I'm trying to move quickly. I haven't been over here in ages, so we thought we'd come on an adventure, didn't we? Little marshmallow. We've just got back from our walk and he's knackered, I am knackered, but it was so nice to get out. A bit of fresh air, it was cold, but once I got moving, he's snuggled up. I'm sweating, but yeah, no, it was nice. It is now the next day. We've been up early. Noah's had his morning bath, had his morning nap. I have had a shower, and Noah is currently just jumping around in his jumperoo. Hi, Chop. Hello. Ooh, a bouncy, bouncy bounce. I am also trying not to wear any makeup, so excuse the state of me, but my freckles have definitely started to come out, and I've got a very unwanted spot on my face. It's not even a spot now, it's just like, you know when you get like the little red blemish bit. But yeah, I'm trying not to use any makeup because I am in fact trying out some new eyelash serum. So I'm not putting any mascara on, I'm not putting anything in my eyebrows, and I'm literally, oh sorry, kitchen utensils. I am literally just using this little spoolie. It's got the serum on it, and just popping it on my eyelashes at least twice a day. And I'm also putting it in my eyebrows because we're trying to grow out the brows. So I've been using that for the last couple of days. And then I've also, let me show you real quick. So I used to use teeth whitening stuff, but I always found when I was trying to whiten my teeth, I don't know where to put you. When I was whitening my teeth, I'd always have to like brush my teeth afterwards because it didn't really taste of anything. But I've started using this whitening fluoride toothpaste, and it's really minty. So, oh, it's just so good. So I couldn't really use any while I was pregnant, but then I found this one that you can use when you're pregnant, so that would have been handy. So that's a little journey. Today we are just chilling out really. I'm just making myself some breakfast. Noah's had, I think I've already just said, he's had his morning nap and everything. I've got some washing going on again in his cot that I need to put away, a wash that I'm going to put on. And it's actually really nice out today, so I think we're going to get out once I've had my breakfast again, all we seem to do lately is just go for walks. And I'm not complaining because it's starting to get a bit nicer out. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some food. And then yeah, it's a pretty chill day. So you might follow us along for bits. Sorry, I'm just walking back and forth. I'm just sorting breakfast. And I'm gonna get Noah. Right, Noah's gone back down for a nap. So I'm gonna crack on with the washing. There's not too much, so it shouldn't take me as long, but as always, I'm going to do a bit of a time lapse.
Oh yeah, I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay.
You probably all know by now, because I feel like I literally live in here, and I'm constantly putting Noah's washing away. The setup in here as well, I feel like this is literally the only place I can sit, because, hold on, let me see if I can, still not great, but basically, I've said in one of my videos before, Noah's room is like a small rectangle, so there's not really much room. I've got his clothes rail here, which, as you all know by now, I'm obsessed with dungarees, so there's just like 1001 dungaree sets on there. But definitely just shut my finger in the drawer. But whenever I'm putting Noah's washing away, I do like 1001 different piles of like where things go. So over there I did a pile of like his little jackets that hang up on the door. Then I had some sleep bags. One's gone under his cot, the other one is for tonight with another baby grow for him to sleep in. And then over this side where I am now is normally the things that either go in his drawers or go on the rail. So I'm just putting a couple of bits away. I still need to find something. So on the wall here, so this side we've got, I've shown you before, like his wall stickers, photos on the wall, little elephant shelves, that sort of stuff. Then this side is really like plain and boring, and we've always said we were going to put Noah's name up on the wall. So I need to have another look on Etsy really, because I don't know whether to go for like some wall decor, like a wooden sort of sign thing with his name on, or like a wall sticker, or some photo, like a photo frame. But I think we've already got photo frames, but we've got some wall stickers, so I don't know whether to get like some wall decor. Like I've seen some wooden ones that look quite cute. I don't know, I need to have a proper look again. And then can we also just talk about how shit maternity pay is? Like, how am I actually supposed to survive? I'm sure there's like 1001 women that have already talked about it, but in the UK, statutory maternity pay, it's not great. And my work, I got 2 months full pay, and then I get like whatever it is, like 32, 33 weeks of statutory pay. And then if I want to take the year, the last 12 weeks, so what, like 3 months, if I want to stay off with Noah, is not paid. It's a bit annoying because when you're on maternity, I don't know about anyone else, but I want to go out and like do stuff with Noah and take him places, which I am, but then that's literally it. Once I've paid like my normal direct debits for the month, my car, mortgage and bills, which James, bless him, is pretty much paying pretty much nearly all of that by himself. I don't really have much left for the month, so that's all fun and games. So I need to try and figure out what I'm going to do with my life, basically. Which is not much. Just have to crack on and get back to work. at some point, which I really don't want to like think about at the moment. There we have it. It is what it is. I got Noah some new vests. They're really cute. They were like a pack of 5. They've all got, here's another one. This one's like patterned all over. Then he's wearing a stripy one. And they all go together. Pack of 5 from Next. I think it was £18, which is a bit pricier. Tell you where is normally really good for if you just want a pack of vests is Asda. Asda is perfect, but Next is closer to me, so I do need to go over to Asda at some point, because I'm putting everything away and it is pretty full, but he's starting to grow out of a lot of his 0 to 3 months, which is making me really sad, but he's starting to fit into more of his 3 to 6. Some stuff is still really big, some stuff fits him perfect, so I need to sort those out. And then he goes swimming lessons as well. Where is it? And these were his little swimming shorts. They're Noah's Ark. His name's Noah. Yeah, I did that thing. So I've just had to upsize. Look at the difference. It's not even that much, but it looks very different. So he's got some new swimming shorts that we need to get going again. I'm waffling now, so that's the washing done. Don't know what I'm gonna do now. Probably have another cup of tea that I really need to stop drinking. Noah's still napping. I'm gonna put a wash actually in the washing machine. And that's about it. Sorry for waffling. I've literally finished Noah's room, got a cup of tea, and little man has woken up. Noah! I'm just gonna finish my cup of tea and we're gonna go out. It looks really nice out. It's probably freezing. I haven't decided whether to put him in his carrier or in the pram. We're ready for our walk. Noah is in this fleecy outfit with his hat. I'm just wearing bloody joggers, Uggs and a jumper. I don't think the horses are out, but normally out the fields out the back, there's loads of horses, so I might walk that way anyway because there's a little river. But Noah's facing forward today so he can have a proper look around. But yeah, let's go.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving.
Hi everyone, it is the next day. God, if you saw me this morning, completely different person. I was so tired. Noah was literally up basically all night. He would wake up fully every hour and a half, but then it was almost like every half an hour he would be like wriggling around and starting to like stir a lot. So then I feel like I was then like awake, and then just as I would drift off and start going back to sleep, he would wake up again. So we're very tired today. We are just about to have our what feels like 57th cup of tea of the day. I don't drink coffee, but tea, yeah, it's a problem. But yeah, Noah's had quite a few. He's had a decent nap this morning. I was nap trapped, which rarely ever happens. But there was no way I was going to move him. I tried to move him a couple of times and he just kept waking up straight away, really pissed off. So, yeah, I thought we're just going to have a chilled day. It's really shit out as well. So yeah, he's had a decent sleep this morning. I thought I'll have a nap with him, but that didn't happen. But I've managed to get up, showered, washed my hair, and I feel much better now. It will probably be later on that I'm like, I'm done. So I'm hoping he has a better sleep tonight. He normally has like one bad day or like one bad night. I say bad, it's never really bad, and then he's fine. So I'm hoping that's the case. If not, maybe it's the start of the 4-month sleep regression that I keep seeing online. But yeah, he's pretty chill now. Having another little nap, smiling in his sleep. So I'm gonna have some lunch and a cup of tea. That noise is the tumble dryer, because when is that not on? But yeah, we're not really doing a lot today.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations, oh. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Right then, guess where we are? Again, we're in Noah's room. I need to sort his cot out. He's currently down here on a beanbag. He's playing with a book that's like really rustly. But yeah, so we're gonna get a move on. As always, probably a time lapse coming your way.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most.
As always, there's absolutely no room in here. The beanbag's gone out there. The cot, there's room. Noah's now laying down in his cot playing. Peekaboo, I see you. I'm gonna crack on. It's so hot in here and there's literally no room to move, so love that for me.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time.
So Noah's drawers are all sorted. Just got a few more bits to put in here, but look how empty it is compared to what it was before. And then a few more bits down here, and then I've literally just got his rail to go through, so I thought I'd end this video here. So I thought I would just end the video here because you don't need to see me sorting out more clothes, because what else do I do? But I've got another video coming soon, which is a Easter weekend, what we get up to. We take Noah to the farm for the first time. So yeah, hope to see you in my next video soon.